are still in Nuxio. Ang next na pupuntahan natin is itong HALTIA. Suomen luonnon keskus or luonnon. Because luonnon, it's a nature center. Something like that. Lapland shoes.
Usually they use this kind.
Okay.
It's very good skill to make.
It's made of very pure leather. It's pure leather shoes. Dito kami sa loob ng museum. Sa mga museum sa Finland, meron sila mga interactive games for the kids. It's not just like for showing them that this is how you do it. And meron din sila mga puzzle games dito. Puzzle boards for the kids for them to play.
Fishes.
Aina joka kerralla kun menet sinne koppiin, niin eihän se ole aina niinku käynyt.
Joo, alamurkku. Find all the yellow mushrooms. Suotava. Hyvä. Tämä on. This one, it's edible. Hyvä. This one more, it's edible mushroom. And then another one, this one.
Herkutattit.
Jos se herkutatti, kyllä se on. Hyvä. Mutta toi. This one.
Hyvä.
Hyvä. This one. Hyvä. Tuolla vielä. Joo. Ja tää on herkutatti. On se herkutatti?
Joo. Oho.
Se väärin. Missä muut? Toi. Toi siellä on tatti. Can you see? Hyvä. Hienosti, Annika. You found all the mushrooms. This one is a snowshoes. Yes. Put it here. So ito yung gawa ni Annika. Very good. Put it there on the wall. Great job. Hyvä. Great job, Annika.
High five.
Meron silang activity dito for the kids and they can create something out of clay and then pwede nila ilagay dun sa wall. And this clay is one of Annika's favorite. Ang tawag nila dito is Otoka Leipomo or bog bakery. So kapag nakagawa ka na ng bog, pwede mo siyang idikit dyan sa wall. Cool. Andito kami sa souvenir shop and si Annika and Nico is natutuwa sila sa mga bagay-bagay na nakikita nila doon. But we don't have plans to buy any and I'm just enjoying the view.
hijo tenga la memoria de que en ocasiones
Dito kami kakain ng buffet lunch sa HALTIA, Ravintula.